It's getting hard, and no matter how hard we pull, we can't get it out. We have to return this key to straight first, and only then can we pull it out. If you can't return it to its original position, it won't come out no matter what. Well, there's nothing we can do about it. Imagine getting back to the city and the key stuck just won't come out, even if the door opens. This happens occasionally. You insert the key, the door opens, but you can't pull the key out. So what do you do in this situation? It's quite simple. If the key is stuck inside the lock and won't budge, just grab a pencil to help. A quick and easy solution. First, we need to handle the lock itself. Start by finding a screwdriver and checking for any worn parts. If there are screws, like here, there are usually 2 at the bottom and 2 on top. Let's remove them first. I've checked and now everything looks good. The mechanism is aligned again. Now take the pencil. See this? Check it and focus on the center of gravity of the pencil. It hasn't come back yet, it's still hanging onto the key. Now drag the pencil across the lock mechanism. It helps us slick. When we were kids, our parents used this method to pick locks and remove keys. What happens next? The cylinder becomes more slick. Now that the pencil's lead is in the lock, we move it a little bit more. Keep moving it around and eventually the cylinder will engage. Now let's test it. We're in Townhouse, trying out every possible method. If it doesn't work right away, don't worry, it'll come out eventually. Like Commander Jack, who played the role of the head army, the pencil's graphite settles into place. We push everything back into the lock, insert the key, and it should work smoothly now. As for the screw, we should tighten it while we're at it. We've loosened it, and now it's time to secure it again. This will hold the cylinder in place. Now check again. If you insert the key like this and pull it out, it should be much easier. Insert, pull out, repeat. It's smooth now. The key comes out effortlessly, and everything feels silky smooth. Let's spread the word. This trick works well. If the cylinder gets stuck, just use a pencil to solve tissue. Share this tip with everyone, and thanks for watching. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.